What shall we sacrifice if the world still cries? What shall we sacrifice so children may sleep tonight? We built our walls so high, we forgot the human heart. Too many names for enemies, too many worlds apart. The screens are always shouting, the cities never sleep, but somewhere a mother is praying for her child to live in peace. السلام يبدأ من القلب، والرحمة نور الطريق. What shall we sacrifice? Hatred, anger, pride. What shall we sacrifice so love can stay alive? One earth, one human family. If we sacrifice the darkness, maybe the children will see peace. ना नफरत की दीवारें, ना खून से रंग ज़मीन, हम साथ चलना सीखें, यही है ईद का दिन। ना नफरत की दीवारें, ना खून से रंग ज़मीन, हम साथ चलना सीखें, यही है ईद का दिन। Tuchague huruma leo, badala ya chuki duniani. Watoto wa kesho wanaomba amani kwa binadamu wote. What shall we sacrifice? Agar dil habe nur barasan, jahan dobara gulistan shawad. Na jang bimanan, na diwar, faqat insano mehrabani. Maybe the greatest sacrifice is giving up the fear inside us. Maybe the holiest offering is learning to see each other as human. What shall we sacrifice? Not another child, not another dream. What shall we sacrifice? Let it be hatred. What shall we sacrifice? Let it be violence. Let it be the walls between us. Oh, one earth, one sky, one human family. And let the children inherit